Hello, my friends. Welcome back to our channel. I'm so happy to see you here today. In this video, we will practice English together using a real-life story. You will listen, repeat, and shadow every sentence. Do not worry about mistakes. Your goal is to speak slowly and clearly, and to feel comfortable using English. Shadowing trains your mouth, your ears, and your brain. It helps you speak naturally and confidently. Let's start together. Sit comfortably, relax, and repeat after me. Imagine you wake up in the morning. The sun is shining through your window. You open your eyes slowly. You feel a little sleepy, but you are ready to start a new day. You get out of bed. You walk to the bathroom. You wash your face. You brush your teeth carefully. You look in the mirror and smile. Now you go to the kitchen. You drink a glass of water. You make a simple breakfast. You eat bread and eggs. You enjoy your food slowly. After breakfast, you get your notebook and pen. You sit at your table. You are ready to practice English. You open your notebook and write today's words. Repeat after me. I practice English every day. I speak slowly and clearly. I enjoy learning English. After breakfast, you get ready to go outside. You put on your shoes. You take your bag. You step out of your house. You walk to the bus stop. You wait for the bus. You say hello to the bus driver. You find a seat and sit down. You look outside the window. You see cars, people, and trees. You notice the sky. It is bright and beautiful. You feel calm and happy. You listen to English conversations around you. You try to understand a few words. You repeat them silently in your mind. Repeat after me. I listen carefully to English. I speak English confidently. I notice new words every day. Now imagine you sit down to study. You open your English book. You read a few sentences slowly. You say the sentences out loud. You listen to your own voice. You repeat each sentence twice. Do not rush. Do not worry about mistakes. You notice new words. You write them down in your notebook. You try to use them in short sentences. For example, I like coffee. I drink tea. I go to the market. Repeat after me. I practice English every day. I repeat sentences slowly and clearly. I enjoy learning English. Imagine talking to a friend in English. You say, "Hello, how are you?" Your friend answers, "I am fine, thank you. And you?" You reply, "I am good." You ask, "What are you doing today?" Your friend says, "I am going shopping." You reply, "That sounds fun." Repeat after me. "Hello, how are you?" "I am good, thank you." "What are you doing today?" "That sounds fun." Remember, speaking English is practice. You do not need perfect grammar. You need to connect your words and ideas. At the end of the day, you sit quietly. You think about what you learned. You smile at your progress. Every small step matters. Every sentence you speak builds your confidence. You are improving day by day. Repeat after me. I am proud of myself. I speak English confidently. I practice every day and improve. Even if you make mistakes, it is okay. Mistakes help you learn. Keep trying and stay positive. Now let's practice some useful phrases for daily life. Greetings. Hello. How are you? Good morning. Travel phrases. Excuse me. Where is the bus stop? How much is a ticket? I want a window seat. Polite phrases. Thank you. You're welcome. I am sorry. Repeat after me. Hello? How are you? Excuse me. Where is the bus stop? Thank you. I am sorry. Great job. You did very well today. Practice this video again tomorrow. Repeat the sentences out loud. Use the phrases in your daily life. Remember, learning English is not about perfection, it's about consistency. Every word you speak is progress. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment. Which sentence did you like most today? Keep practicing, keep growing, keep speaking English every day. Thank you for joining me. I will see you in the next video.